planets name, ग्रहों के नाम. What is this? This is sun. S-U-N, sun. Surya. In Hindi we call Surya Dev. The next planet is Mercury. This is the very closest planet from the sun, and its Hindi name is Buddha. For your information, this is the smallest planet in our solar system. Next is Venus. Shukra. We call it a red planet because in the sky its color is look like red. And this is our Mother Earth. In Hindi we call it Prithvi. Identify this. Mars. Mangal, where all the engineers and big companies are trying to go there, and most probably we will live there, but it is so far now. And this one is the Jupiter, the biggest planet of our solar system, in Hindi called Brihaspati. This is a so beautiful planet in our solar system, and we call it Saturn. Shani. The ring is because of so many asteroids is revolving, so many moons is revolving around it. That's why their shape is look like this. How beautiful. Now the next planet is Uranus. Uranus, and Hindi called it Arun. For your better information, this one is the coolest planet in our solar system. Imagine it's a minus 224 degrees Celsius. Oh my god, it's so cold. The next planet is Neptune. Varun. And Varun is the fastest planet in our solar system. It is so far from the sun, or we may say that out of nine, it's the farthest planet. Pluto. This one is the last planet as per our record, and in Hindi it's called Yam. We would request to all of you, please like, subscribe my channels so that you will get the notification at the earliest. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, please, please, please share it. Thank you